Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shocks. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a socket set, various wrenches, and a pry bar. Having a new alternator and a fresh serpentine belt on hand will make the process much smoother. This preparation ensures a safe and efficient repair. Now, let's get to removing the old alternator. Begin by locating the serpentine belt tensioner and loosening it to release tension, allowing you to remove the belt. Next, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors and the main power wire attached to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets. Sometimes a pry bar helps to gently free it from its position. With the old one out, it's time to install your new alternator. Carefully position the new unit into its mounting brackets, ensuring it aligns correctly. Once in place, securely fasten all the mounting bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Then, reconnect all the electrical wires and the main power cable, making sure each connection is snug and secure for proper function. Almost done. Now, carefully reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it's routed correctly around all pulleys, and adjust the tensioner to the proper specification. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and check for proper charging and any warning lights. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. You've successfully replaced your alternator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.